Meaning of equestrian.
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 Equestrian. Equestrian refers to anything related to horseback riding or horse sports. It can also refer to someone who rides horses, particularly in competitions or shows. The term comes from the Latin word eques, meaning horseman or knight. Equestrian events include dressage, show jumping, eventing, polo, and racing. The history of equestrianism can be traced back to ancient civilizations where horses were used for transportation, hunting, and warfare. Today, equestrian sports are popular worldwide, with many countries hosting international competitions and events.